I will be able to see us and not get all scared, and well, you don't have to necessarily be scared. Y'all are the ones with the guns and badges and stuff like that. So y'all,
you see a gun pulled out?
Don't de-escalate the situation. De-escalate the situation.
Do you see a gun pulled out?
You have
a gun. Do you see a gun pulled out? Do you see one in my hand?
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Don't touch me, though. Don't touch me.
Go this way. Will you go that way?
Y'all seeing this, people?
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Truth Be Told Audits. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on March 17th, 2022 in Gonzales, Louisiana. In this video, the auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of the Gonzales Police Department and its surrounding buildings. The auditor was quietly walking around on a public sidewalk when he is surrounded by multiple police officers. One officer in particular loses his cool big time, all because of a man with a camera. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
What's going on?
Gathering content for a story right now.
Doing what?
Gathering content for a story right now. Can you back up just?
No, I'm not backing up. I'm coming to talk to you.
Oh, that's fine, but you don't have to get that close to me either.
Dude.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Dude, what's your name and badge number?
It's right here.
It's right here.
Troy Burkholz. What is your business here? You know your own
and your badge
property.
number? It's not private. Is it owned by the parish?
It's gonna be one of these types. Yep.
It's gonna be one of those type. And what's that type?
Okay. We need you to step off the property. Come on.
We need to step off the property?
Yep.
Is that a lawful order, or
Yes,
are you
it is a
asking?
lawful order. Step off the property.
It's a lawful order?
Come on.
Look how close he's getting, people. Look how close he's getting, people. So what happens if we don't step off the property?
I thought it was public.
118.
It is public. It is public. Hold on. I got the. And what's your name? Dunaway. It's right there. We got another right here. I met your cousin. Y'all got a lot of cousins named right here, by the way. Got a lot of cousins.
And the courthouse is the old courthouse.
So this is owned by.
Any more questions?
You're not gonna answer. Let me go and get a sergeant out here.
Yep.
Okay.
You have your ID on you?
What do I need to get my ID for?
So I can say that I spoke to somebody on the property that.
Yeah. What law have I broken? Oh, I know, right, dude? I mean, y'all are gonna learn eventually that y'all can't just be going around IDing people and kicking people off of public property and stuff like that. We need your sergeant out here before I speak anymore. How about that?
I can tell you right now, this is not usual out here.
It may not be usual, but y'all need to start getting used to it because people are starting to do this more and more often. And y'all got to learn y'all can't be pushing people around. What is the point? Transparency, accountability, a lot of different things.
How do you pronounce your last name?
It's none of your business. It's spelled right there.
Oh, you hear this, people? You hear this, people? This is what you got to expect from our government officials right here.
It's right here. There you go.
Yeah, right here.
You got it?
And you have a lot of brothers and sisters out in y'all's force that's named right here too. So, I mean, it's not just a right here thing; it's a verbal thing. You can also state it as well. So, what's your name and badge number?
Who's the caller?
You just gave it to him. I didn't get it though. I'm gonna go ahead and come over here because I got to address. What's your name and badge number?
126.
126. Thank you. See that? That's not hard, dude. It's not hard. What's your name and badge number? 127. What's your name? It's right here too. Hey, y'all are all related. Are all right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Y'all are all related. That's amazing how y'all are all related. So, no, we don't want nothing. We want to be left alone and be able to do what we're doing without being harassed by the government officials. This is public property. We can film anything we see from public property.
Okay.
And y'all will learn. Y'all will get it down eventually. And when y'all do, y'all will be able to see us and not get all scared, and well, you don't have to necessarily be scared. Y'all are the ones with the guns and badges and stuff like that. So
Y'all. You see a gun pulled out?
Don't De-escalate the situation. De-escalate. De-escalate the situation.
Do you see a gun pulled out?
You have
Do
a
you
gun.
see a gun pulled
You
out?
have
Do you
a
see
gun.
one in my hand?
You have, please don't touch me. Please don't touch
Go that
me.
way.
Don't touch me though. Don't touch me.
Go this way. Will you
Don't
go that
touch
way?
me. Y'all seeing this? What's your badge
You
number?
sound like the one being aggressive, bringing up guns.
No, don't try to pull that.
Nobody brought up a gun. You brought up a gun.
Who cares? I can bring
You
up guns all
sound
day.
aggressive, sir.
De-escalate.
Calm down.
De-escalate. Do I sound all
Yes,
upset?
you do.
No. De-escalate. 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 Y'all have training over de-escalation. You need to de-escalate.
Have you identified yourself yet?
No, I have not.
Okay.
I have no reason. What law have I broken before you even start? What law have I broken?
No, you knew who you were talking to.
You don't need to know who you're talking to. The only way y'all can get my ID is if I'm broken the law, about to break the law, or have broken the law. And I haven't done none of that
You're a resident of
situation.
Louisiana?
I don't answer questions.
Well, there's a law in Louisiana that says you have to identify yourself.
There is? If we've broken a law?
No, think about it. You have to identify yourself.
What law have I broken? You see, we can go in circles with this all day long. What law have I broken?
Why do you want to go in circles?
Why are y'all even bugging us? Why can't we record our government officials? See, there's no answer to that because there is no answer. Y'all have no reason to even be out here. Y'all need to let us film, do our thing, and then we'll be on our way. But this right here, y'all are looking just bad right now. Super bad, dude. Y'all don't want to do all that. We didn't approach none of y'all. Y'all approached us. Y'all have got to learn that. See, we have...
Do not walk up to them.
I can walk wherever
No,
I would
stay
like,
over
sir.
there.
Sir, please back
Stay over
up
there.
from me.
Well, then you go back to where you need to be, and don't walk
Please don't
behind
touch me.
them.
Please don't touch me.
Don't walk up behind them.
This is a public area. I can walk wherever
Well,
I
you're not
want.
going to walk up behind that police officer like that.
I can
You're not
walk
going to do
wherever I
that.
want. See, y'all got to learn the law, dude. Y'all have to learn the law. Can y'all see this, people?
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you. That's all we're asking for. Give us space.
Okay, but I also got to be able to hear what they're going on. This
Why
is
do you have
about
to
me.
hear what they're going on?
Because this is about us.
Did they mention
And I'm
you
Sir,
by
you
name?
have a good day.
And you have a good day too, sir. Thank you. Have a great one. See, this one right here, this is the one, walk of shame right here. This is a walk of shame, dude, because, man, do you see how you come out here and escalate the situation? You have no reason to escalate any situation. Thank you. See, some of y'all know, some of y'all apparently know what y'all are supposed to be doing. Some of y'all want to escalate. Like this dude over here, he wants to escalate real super bad.
So,
Sergeant's here.
Okay.
Look,
Which one's the sergeant? Oh, sergeant. How you doing, sergeant?
okay. As long as y'all are stay in a public area, y'all are good to go.
Man, but what was the need for all of that?
Well, I'm not, regardless, you got to understand, we get called here, we have to come.
You still can't answer what was the need for all of that.
We got called here, we
You-
go
okay,
to call
okay,
the service.
okay.
So the
Right, you guys
OEP
were
called
90.
us. OEP called us.
So-
the only thing we're asking you is if it's a restricted area, don't go in a restricted area.
And don't
More
eat
than
yellow
welcome to stay out in the
snow
public.
and don't kick your dog when you get home and all this other stuff. We know what we are and what we're not supposed to be doing. But to have all of this escalation, I mean, people, come on.
There's no escalation.
There is no. There was escalation. Don't say there wasn't escalation because I have not raised my voice. That officer right there needs to be retrained. That officer right there, he's a risk to y'all. That right there is a risk to y'all's department. You've got to understand, he needs to learn what de-escalation is. You can have a conversation without raising your voice, just like what I did. He cannot come out here and act like that. Y'all don't know who y'all are messing with right here. Huh?
My name is Paul Taylor. My bag's gonna be-
Y'all don't know who y'all are messing with. Who I am and what I'm here to do and how big I am.
Well, we control the city of Gonzales.
Okay.
And what we're gonna tell you now is that to, like Paul Taylor says, not go into any restricted
There we go
areas.
again. Yes. We're very aware of that. And have we crossed any areas that we have not?
Well, like this building over here is restricted.
It's
because
not
it is
restricted.
homeland-
It is a public
it's
sidewalk.
homeland security.
We did not walk up in there. That's unlawful directives. We have not gone inside the building.
What we're saying is that is a restricted area.
Right. Outside of the building. So outside the building is restricted, or inside of that building is restricted. You see, there's the difference right there. Look at this, people. Look at this. What's your name and badge number? I didn't get everybody. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and see? Look, you're not gonna get no answer. What's your name and badge number? You're not gonna answer. We got Weatherverse, and they don't have badge numbers. A couple of them have bad numbers, but they don't have badge numbers. What's your unit number? What's your car number? Y'all have any of that? Wow, this is what you get out here, people. A bunch of unlawful orders, a lot of escalation for no reason. This is what we get. They have apparently have never, ever, ever, ever been hit out here. Wow. Wow, people. And of course, the unlawful directors have to come out. Don't eat yellow snow. Don't kick your dog. Don't go in restricted areas.
Female beaters.
Oh, but no, that other officer, he escalated.
I understand it.
Yes, but the way that we're approached.
Technically own this building, the sheriff's office building, it just happens to be in the city, so we wind up having to come over.
Yeah, which makes
So
it
whatever the sheriff's office wants to do, I mean, whatever.
it makes it public. We're allowed to be here to record. Yeah. But you see how that other officer, he escalated the whole situation and started yelling at me and stuff like that. That, you know, if y'all would have came out, it would have been a cordial conversation, you know what I mean? It would have been all good. But the way that he came out, though, man, that is total disrespect. Yeah. And we are going to go inside these offices. I don't know if they're trying to lock the doors right now. See, look, people.
Yeah, they're probably not.
Oh, yeah, we're going in. That's going to be...
No cell phones, no cameras, anything.
It doesn't matter. It's public property. See, here we go again. Now we're going to get in another debate. It is not their rules. We're going by Constitution. We're going by law. We're not going by
Whatever they
feelings.
say, that's on them.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know.
But I'm just letting you know that we probably will go in there, you know, and record and everything like that. So.
It's on y'all, brother.
But rules and policies is not law.
Hey, I get it, brother.
It's not law. We are law-abiding citizens out here. So.
Y'all gotta be doing your First Amendment right. I mean, I get it.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah. And, you know, like I said, I do appreciate the way that you are handling the situation, you know, and everything that's going on. But like I say, clearly, man, there's some people out here that's willing to violate laws and yell at people and stuff like that. You know, we pay y'all. You know, y'all are funded by the city. The parish. Oh, yeah. By we the people. And to escalate like he did, oh, that's total.
I pay taxes out here too.
Yeah. Well, you pay taxes out of the taxes we pay you.
No, they take taxes out of me.
Oh yeah, well they take taxes out of you, but you're funded by tax dollars, so they're taking taxes from you.
Look, I get paid my taxes, and I get taxes paid my taxes, whatever.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you handled it the way that you did. Yeah.
All right, my man.
Yes, sir.
Like I say, as long as y'all don't go in any restricted areas.
Okay,
Other than that, y'all have a good one. And if
Go
there's
right in
any,
here.
if there's
Yeah, we are going to go in here. Just to let y'all know, he's saying that, you know, that the rules. He said the rules and policies said that we can't go in there.
it's controlled by the sheriff's department. The sheriff's department's over the city police department. So.
But it's all still public property. Yeah. Well, we plan on it. We do plan. We're just giving you all a heads up that we are going to walk in here in a second. We do have official business to be here to take care of what we're going in there for.
That you don't go into restricted areas.
Right. We're not going to go in any restricted areas.
Hey, excuse me, I was going, bro.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Truth Be Told Audit's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.